Well, Samsung finally revealed their rumored Galaxy Z TriFold at the APEC 2025 Summit. And while they kept it under glass, we now have photos that reveal some crucial design details. So Samsung officially showcased what the device looks like during the APEC 2025 Summit hosted in South Korea last week. The catch? They did not let anyone touch it. However, some South Korean media outlets got closer than anyone else, giving us a look at how Samsung put this first TriFold together and how it compares to the Galaxy Z Fold7. Let's talk looks. From the rear, when folded, the TriFold and the Fold7 look identical. The only notable element on the rear panels of the TriFold is the pronounced camera housing. It keeps the LED positioning and the side-mounted capacitive fingerprint scanner that we see on the Z Fold7. Now for the key difference we can see, thickness. The Galaxy Z TriFold is noticeably thicker than the Galaxy Z Fold7. This makes sense, considering it has an extra panel and a wider display area. But here's the engineering detail. The outer portions of the TriFold appear noticeably thinner than its inner portion. What's really interesting is that these outer portions also seem to be thinner than the 4.2mm sides of the current Galaxy Z Fold7. Samsung hasn't shared fresh official details since APEC 2025, but a recent sighting suggests that a broader global release might still be in the cards for us. The TriFold is clearly Samsung's next ambitious step, blending the aesthetics of the Fold7 while packing in that extra screen real estate. We've seen the look, we know it's chunkier, but trying to keep the outer edges thin. Now we just wait for the official specs and release date. What are your first impressions of the Z TriFold design based on these photos? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you want to keep up with every detail on Samsung's new foldable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell.